Hi, I'm Sherman Mob, and this is my wife Jennifer. We started looking for contractors to do some work on our house, and one of the projects we started was remodeling our master bedroom bath. We went to a number of contractors and got bids, and one of the bids that stood out was 360 House Remodeling.
They were, really reliable. They came on time. They went above and beyond what they said they would do.
They were very forthcoming. They were amenable to our suggestions and comments. In terms of the bidding process, they won out due to their high ratings on the internet and the price point for the project.
They had lots of really good suggestions for us that we didn't even think about in advance. And we were just very pleased with them. They were very polite, very reliable. And
They came in being very knowledgeable, and it shows in the completion of their work.
we would recommend them to anyone. We would use them again in an instant. We would recommend them to our family, friends, or anyone that we know.